Hello, my beautiful people. Thanks for visiting Docentes DigitalesTV. In this video, we're going to do the feedback for the previous video. If this is your first time here, I recommend watching the last video where we talked about American fast food. Now, it's time to test what you've learned. Let's begin. Is American fast food known for being slow and expensive? No. It's known for being fast and affordable. Did fast food become popular in rural farming towns? No. It became popular in cities where people had less time to cook. Was McDonald's one of the first fast food chains in America? Yes, McDonald's is one of the most iconic fast food chains. Do fast food meals usually contain a lot of vegetables and whole grains? No, they're usually high in sugar, fat, and salt. Are fast food toys and playgrounds only for adults? No, they're designed for children to enjoy. Have fast food restaurants started offering healthier options? Yes, many now offer salads, grilled items, and fruit. Is fast food completely banned in the United States? No. Fast food is still very common and part of daily life. Do Americans eat fast food only on holidays? No. Many people eat it regularly as part of their routines. Is the fast food industry adapting to new health trends? Yes. Restaurants are changing to meet the demand for healthier meals. Does fast food play a role in American culture? Yes, it represents convenience, choice, and modern living. Don't forget to watch this video again and again to reinforce what you've learned. Subscribe to our channel so you never miss an episode of this amazing series on learning English and American culture. See you in the next adventure.